Hey, wonderful people, what's up? What's up? How you doing? Welcome to my channel. If at all you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Beryl Olives. I'm a mother of like four handsome boys, and I want to welcome you and thanks for stopping by. For my returning gang, thanks a lot. For my premium gang who come to support me and they don't tire, I really appreciate you and I bless you. Okay, for my new subscribers, kindly consider subscribing to my channel. This is a channel where all happens, yeah. So it's all about cleaning motivation. It's all about motherhood, lifestyle, cooking vlogs. Okay, name them, yeah. This is a channel where we bring it all raw, yeah. All that happens in my home. So welcome to my space and consider subscribing, liking, sharing me out and comment, yeah, if you like such content. Let's do this together.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Yep, so this morning I just started to, okay, I decided to start with like spreading my bed because I know if I won't do it, if I just step out of this room, it's going to remain shaggy. And who else has like busy room like me? I'm telling you, busy room. I have like everything. I even have like okay, I usually, I don't know who else is like me. I hide like sweets, chocolates inside the inside my cupboard here in the room because when I keep them on the other side, my son Sains can eat. He really, oh my God, he really eats. He really eats these things. I don't know, like what, like groundnuts. Oh my God, so I just have to hide. Yeah, you have to bear with me. I just have to hide them inside my room, inside, okay, like these cupboards. And of course, hiding them, we also like munch them. So that's something funny. That's why you're seeing peppers. So I'm just trying to tidy up. I throw the peppers. Yeah, I throw the peppers, the ones I'm supposed to throw, and continue keep. So I like giving him like bit by bit. If he comes, I give him, and while giving him, I also eat. If you know, you know. So let's do this. And also, I don't take breakfast when I'm having like lots of work like today. I prefer doing my house chores first, then maybe taking something. Because if I start taking something in this tummy, it makes me lazy. I don't know who else is like me. So I'll just start with tidying here. Then I go and give my baby maybe some porridge, and then I continue because today is a marathon. Yeah, I have to do what I have to do. So let's continue watching the video. And as we are continuing watching the video, before I forget, are you guys seeing that tablet charging over there? Yeah, so that's also my fellow YouTuber. She's called Life and Living with Omar. Yeah, so I'm just trying to support. That's a playlist. I'm telling you, if you know, you know, playlist running down there. So I've just plugged in that tablet on a charger. So multitasking at the same time, running a playlist. So if at all you like such contents, yeah, of homemaking, cleaning motivation, okay, go watch her channel. And today I have a couple of like YouTubers also who are doing the same content as this one. So the second shout out I'm going to give to at home with Adele. Yes, if you like, I'm telling you, they have amazing contents. They have amazing contents. Yeah, you can just go and check them out. I'm not forgetting Monica Karanja. Oh my God, these are the people who motivate me to clean up to clean up like my space, to like get up, wash clothes, clean my house, and another one. Oh my God, who's just on another level? Nyawira Hannington, I'm telling you. Just a mother as me, and I just feel motivated the way she's doing motherhood and cleaning and organizing at the same time. Oh my God, guys, run to their channels as we do this. Let's keep on keeping on, and just know that I also get motivated to do what I'm doing. Okay. Okay.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever. Bad and done together. But baby, know that I'm good either way. What happened to forever? You know, you know, what happened to forever? You know, you know. Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever, ever, ever, ever. What happened to forever? You know, you know.
Yep. So meanwhile, those are the shoes, the Crocs I'm washing. Those are like from like the previous day. I had also washed the clothes you've seen hanging over there. So I'm telling you, sometimes I'm lazy. And is it me who said that I'm not going to take? See the way I'm lazing around, just because this woman decided to like take tea with what? With githeri. In the morning. I decided to have my tea first, I'm telling you. So I'm feeling much lazy, much tired, but I have to do this. If you know, you know, because I started recording, my mind was like creating content today. So I just have, despite of like being tired and feeling, I don't know, lazy, I have to do this. I'm going to unhang those clothes. I have to finish washing the Crocs, and I have to put some more clothes. You see, like the cushion covers I'm removing, and my curtains. Yes, cleaning must be done. Cleaning must be done. And that's why, if I tell you people that I watch the cleaning motivation so that I can be motivated, it is what it is. Yeah. So let's do this.
Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send me tonight. I run away. I run away. I run away. I run away.
So this thing came, the vacuum came. I'm telling you, it's amazing. This gadget is amazing, and soon we'll be doing a review about our Ramtons wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It's really coming in handy. Yes. I'm really enjoying using it. I'm really loving it. It's really making my work easier. No more brooms and no more I don't know what. I thank God for this far. Then are you seeing what I'm going through? Yeah, motherhood. I'm telling you, these kids, they're just all over. When I'm busy, they're all over. I thank God. And as I said, I'm a mother of four. Four boys, four handsome boys. But if you know, you know. With boys, I'm telling you, I'm really having it. I'm really having it. But I thank God. I really appreciate them. So let's keep on. I hope you're enjoying the video until this point. And if at all you haven't subscribed, yeah, what are you waiting for? Yeah, and make sure you keep on keeping on. Watch till the end. Don't forget to like. Mhm, and press on that notification bell so that in case I drop a video, you'll be notified. Comment and share me out if you can.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
And my cleaning continues, guys. I've already done lots. As you know, I'm also multitasking at the same time. Yeah, my clothes are already being cleaned in the washing machine. And after vacuuming the house, what I've done is just I've come in with like some soapy water with my microfiber cloths, and I've wiped the seats. I've wiped the window rails. I've even wiped the windows. Oh my God. Yeah, so it's coming out well. It's coming out well. I can even start smelling some freshness in this house. So I hope until this point you people are enjoying the video, and let's keeping on, keeping on. Kindly don't get tired, and I'm hoping you're getting motivated to also clean your spaces as we speak.
It's like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh, it's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Oh, or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like they're playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be all. It's gotta be all or nothing. All or nothing. Oh.
Yep, so since it's like a whole house cleaning day and I'm motivated to do it, so after I've finished with my living room. My living room is clean. The bedrooms, the boys' rooms are all clean. I'll just want to clean the bathroom. Yeah, so what I'll start with, I usually start with washing toothbrushes and that. And at this point, yeah, it was already like lunch hour, and I don't want to lie that I do break and prepare for this boys' lunch. Nah, 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 nah. Whatever we did on this day, I just gave them water, it's fruits, and we move. Then, cause I'm just also rushing, so from here, I'm going to like prepare dinner, early dinner. But until this point, I hope you people are also like keeping on and enjoying and also being motivated as we do this. Let's continue. Please don't get tired. Don't get tired. Yeah, we have to soldier on in this. We are in this together. Yeah, so I usually don't like curtains, as you all know. I love shears, but apparently all my shears were dirty. There's another set which I'm washing, and we have others that I didn't. I just kept them. I didn't wash them. So today I'm forced to put curtains. Yeah, I've had to put that curtains, and since we have like one drawer, one rod, so it's going to share. So that's the design I've used. Shear in the middle, then curtain this side on the and the curtain the other side. Then I think I'm going to finish with my cleaning today, my cleaning for today before I head on preparing like a dinner or a supper as we call it. Let me just finish with cleaning my master and suite, my washroom. Yeah, so let's keep on keeping on. And if at all you've watched until this point, I highly appreciate you. God bless you. For me, that's all I can say for now as we continue enjoying the
Here we
vlog.
are, we locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by.
Yeah, so it's already 3 in the PM. I've not finished whatever I started in the morning. I just wanted to take you through. But I just want to take you through how my weekend, which is today Saturday. So in the morning, I started by, it's 3 p.m. I'm still wearing pajamas. I've been working, I've been doing some cleaning, and I've taken you through. I'm not yet done. We are still going on, but thanks for watching and kindly consider subscribing to this channel. If you tell you my returning premium gang, asante sana. My returning subscribers, my new subscribers, asanteni sana. So let's keep on keeping going. Welcome to my kitchen. It's dinner time, so I just said what we are going to prepare for dinner today is just beef, kales, and ugali. Yeah, something very fast. I'm going to fix very fast because I'm tired. I've been doing cleaning the whole day, so I've just freshened up. I've removed my pajamas and into like my comfort zone right now. Yeah, if you see me tying that wrapper on my waist, just know that I just want comfort at this point. Yeah, so it's multitasking affair at the same time. So I'll just have to clear the dishes. I don't want dishes in this sink. I'm going to clear the dishes and I'm going to cook at the same time. So while the beef is boiling, I usually boil my beef. So while it's boiling on that other side, I'll be clearing dishes on the other side. So easy peasy lemon squeezy, easy meal, easy dinner today. Nothing complicated, nothing much. So watch and see how it went down.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me. Oh, yeah, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Oh, yeah, I'm good either way. I'm good either way. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you were done whatever. Bad and done again.
Yep. So my beef is just, I said we are going to go simple. So what I've done, I've just cut everything, my onions, my coriander, my tomatoes, garlic, ginger, turmeric. I've cut them together. My, my hohos, the green hohos, yellow ones also. I've cut them together and then I've blended. Then after my beef had tenderized, I've just mixed. I came and pour them on the beef. Yeah, after adding oil. Then I came in with my spices, and that's it. It would be just simple as that. And then for my kales, I usually like green kales, almost like steamed. I'm just going to go in with onions, strictly onions and oil, and that's it. And for ugali, we usually like it because of the kids. We like it. We like soft ugali, and we use kavagara. Yeah, kavagara. I really like it. It's nice. Or if we don't have kavagara, I go with amaze. Amaze is also nice, perfect. And what else? Amaze is also nice, and hostess is also okay. And somebody told me that if I'm looking for that, because my son likes they like the soft ugali. Somebody told me to try Ajab. Ajab, they have a version of their soft flour. So I'd like to try that. I've never tried it, but I'd like to try it. But my dinner at this point is almost ready. Almost ready. Yes, consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't. If you like such content, motherhood duties. It is. I'm telling you, not easy, but we keep on keeping on. Okay. Okay. Okay, the beef is ready. Are you seeing the way it is? Are you seeing that gravy? The way it's thick? That's the way we like it. So let's do this. Let's continue doing what we're supposed to do and less talking. Let's just what I can say is watch and learn. Watch and learn.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
If you know, you know, the meal really slapped, yeah? And we took it together with some mala. Yes, fermented milk, of course. It was really yummy. This food was really yummy. And as for me, what I can say is thank you so much and bless you. I'll see you on my next one.